In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get potato graphics in Fortnite, and this is sure to increase your FPS so much. I can guarantee you'll be running at like 500 FPS once you do this. So let's get right into this. The first thing you need to do is you need to type into Google NVIDIA Profile Inspector. It will look, you type in this, there'll be a little GitHub thing, you click on this, and you go down here and you download this. Then you extract it and you open up the file. Now once you open it up, I will show you what it looks like. Let me just open it myself. NVIDIA Profile Inspector. Okay. So it'll be looking something like this. What you want to do here is you want to go to the top and you want to type in Fortnite and then make sure you select the one that says Fortnite here. Boom, and it should say Fortnite client.exe. So that's how you know you've done it right. The first thing you want to do is come down to anti-aliasing, go down to this one, transparency, super sampling, click here, and you want to go down to this one, AA mode, replay mode, all. So go to there and do that. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to go down to texture filtering, go down to texture filtering, driver controlled LOD base. And you want to change that to, so this one needs to be set to off. Then this setting under here needs to be on 3. This one here also needs to be on 3. And then we need to go down here to quality, change this to high quality like this. Now I'm going to close Fortnite before I do this, so I'd close Fortnite here, confirm, and I'm going to click apply changes now. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, changes have been applied. I'm just going to close Epic. I've just done that a few times. So now we're going to go into open Fortnite. And boom, you see once we come into the game, the textures are so low quality. You can go into here and go to settings, and you can actually fiddle around with the textures in here. If you want to turn them up, you can do that. You can turn the graphics up a bit if you want to do that. But I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a game. So I'm going to go to just a quick solo one, and you can see right now it doesn't look very nice, but I can guarantee to you that this is going to make your FPS through the roof. I think I've got mine locked at 120, so I'm going to change it so it's not locked before we get into the game. Just to show, I'm going to put unlimited. I'm going to apply this back. I'm going to show you how many FPS I'm actually able to get with this setting, and it's pretty insane. So 1 second. And we're into the game now, and the first thing you're going to notice is that the map is looking so bad, but if you want better FPS, this is what you got to do. So I'm going to go down here, and from here it doesn't look too bad. Once you're down there, it's going to look awful, but this will help you a lot with making your gameplay better and stuff like that, because you'll be able to, your FPS will be so much better. So right now I'm only getting like 75 FPS. It's always kind of laggy, and I'm also screen recording right now. If I go into here, I've got myself a pistol. My gun has run away. So now I'm getting near, like, I'm getting over 200 FPS in some points, and you can see I think someone's coming up here. You can see that the gameplay looks very bad, but it's very smooth. Like, you can see that. You can see how this would improve your game like a ton. And it doesn't affect the gameplay at all, that's the thing. So like, everything works as normal. Like I'm not getting any issues here. You might get some issues in like the lobbies and stuff, but like for the most part everything is pretty good. If I was to, I'm trying to find someone so I can kill them and show you. So here, this is looking dodgy, but it's fine. So you might clip a little bit through some walls and stuff there. I'm going to show you how to change this as well at the end of the video. So be sure to watch till the end, and I'll show you how to change it back if you don't like the setting. I'm just gonna kill this guy. Well, he might kill me, to be honest. What does this even do? I don't even know what this weapon does. Oh, he's gone. Nice. I'm really trying to find someone to kill, just so I can show you how it works. Okay, we got someone we can land on here. You can see like how much better and how much easier it really makes it here. Like my FPS is through the roof. Oh. If you look, I'm still getting. I'm in a fight right now, and I'm getting like insane FPS still. See, I'm literally over 200 FPS, which is pretty crazy. I have no headphones on right now, so I can't actually hear the gameplay as well, so I can't actually hear where people are. That's a little bit challenging. Oh, and I just got rocked. I just got cracked. Okay, I see where I'm getting cracked from. Well, okay, and for some reason my build didn't work there. I don't know why. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So now I'm going to teach you how to undo it, if that's what you want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here into this inspector tool, make sure Fortnite's closed, and there's this little button here. Click this. This is going to restore the everything back to normal. We're going to hit apply changes, and then once you do that, everything's going to be back to normal and working like you want it to be. And that is how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.